Today, I want to talk about something that is crucial for our future success but often overlooked: financial literacy. Running to 25 to 40 years old, understanding how to manage money effectively is essential for achieving financial stability and independence. Whether you're planning for challenge, starting your first job, or dreaming of buying a home, financial literacy is the foundation upon which these goals can be built. By following these steps, you can take control of your finance and work towards a stable and prosperous future. Financial literacy is a vital skill that can significantly impact your quality of life.
Nowadays, understanding financial literacy is essential because it involves mastering various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. By becoming financially literate, you can navigate from the basics of saving to complex investment strategies, ultimately securing your financial future. Key steps to managing money include tracking income and expenses to create a budget, which helps manage day-to-day expenses and identifies areas for most cutting and saving. Building a good credit score is also crucial. You can achieve this by paying bills on time and maintaining low credit card balances. Planning for significant expenses such as buying a car or a home further underscores the importance of financial literacy, equipping you with the knowledge to save and make informed decisions. To enhance your financial literacy, take advantage of educational programs offered by schools and organizations which often provide courses and workshops on personal finance. Utilize online tools and apps that assist in budgeting and financial planning. Additionally, reading books and articles on personal finance can offer valuable insights and practical tips for effective money management.
By understanding how to manage money, avoid debt, and invest wisely, you can achieve financial stability and independence. I encourage each of you to take steps to improve your financial literacy and make informed decisions that will benefit your future.